Okay, so I'm into toys. I like Oakley sunglasses, I like iPhones, Blackberries, and I like cell phone cases. So this should be the Vena VAllure case that came, that I ordered a couple weeks ago, and it was on sale for $6 off of eBay. I've never done an unboxing video before, so bear with me, right? Yeah, it's the Allure for iPhone 7. Woo! Oh yeah, that's just the box. Anyway, okay, so what do we have here? Thank you for choosing Vena. It's a California company, and they have their products made in South Korea. Yep, it says right there. So this will be the teal. Yeah, teal. I don't know, I like teal and aqua colors, as you can see by my iPad case. You know, I'm stuck in the middle of Canada. It reminds me of the ocean or something. I don't know. So anyway, if I don't like it, I'll sell it. So let's see what it looks like. Right now, I have the OtterBox commuter on my phone. It's a great case. Love it. No problems with that. Okay, let's see. Here's what it looks like. It's teal, all right. Little booklet. Pretty nice. How does that compare with the Aqua Mint OtterBox? Pretty close. Not quite as thick, though, as the commuter. I like a bit of a thinner case, but this is also a dual layer case, so it should be pretty protective. And I like that they put these the blue rubber or TPU on the sides as well, because otherwise it's kind of slippery. Sometimes when you're holding the OtterBox, you know, they got it right in the right places, down where your hand might slip, but then up here, it's kind of slippery, right? So anyway, let's have a look at it. It's odd looking at something for the first time through a camera. Okay, so what's this? How to install. Okay. So there's the inside pattern. Designed in the USA. Pretty nice. And there's what they call corner guard. Those hollow slots they cut. Because if it falls, it gives it some cushioning. And this is like a carbon fiber. The part that looks like metal. I like the pattern here. Can you hear that? Maybe you can file your nails on that. So there it is. Pretty nice. Buttons. I wonder how slippery that would be. It might be a little bit slippery right down here. I think this rubber on the side, which isn't that grippy, it should have gone right down, right to there. Because when you're holding it like this, it's slick. But it's a good thing it's a dual layer protection then, right? Anyway, that's it. The Vena VAllure for iPhone 7. And I assume iPhone 8 because there's like a 1mm difference, right? See ya.